Well, my name is Arnold Reed, and My Computer Works has been helping us for 4 or 5 years resolving problems and that we create. Sometimes it's problems with new issues, new programs. Sometimes it's we don't know how, and so we've had a great experience with a lot of pleasurable visits with My Computer Works. Well, I think we must have read about you something in the newspaper, maybe something that was written up about your works and what you do, and I thought this is so much greater than calling and waiting for a technician to come to the house, and they might be here tomorrow, they might not be here till Monday, and that sort of thing, and the issue is a now issue that's got to be taken care of. So yeah, My Computer Works is there the same day. I don't remember the names of the technicians offhand, but I've found them all to be, not once have I found a technician that I could not be comfortable working with in getting the issues resolved that we've had. We have a home office network, and I have a laptop computer. Some of the issues have been getting the laptop to communicate with the printers in the office, or getting things to be shared, that sort of thing. Once your technicians have addressed those issues, we've had no other problems with that. But I still periodically have issues or problems that I need to call about, and they're always fixed very quickly. Also, in upgrading my software, I just switched from XP to Windows 7, and I had a few issues of learning how to deal with the new programs that the way Windows 7 presents itself, and My Computer Works was right there to lead me through, and it's been a great experience. Some of the things I choose not to use on Windows 7, but you know, other people will use them. Matt, every week he sends a training video. For example, keyboard shortcuts was one that he used, and it just shows you how to do things so much more efficiently and quickly. It's a great thing to know all about. Windows file management is another issue that so many of us have things. I know that I had things that were scattered all over my computer. I needed to find them to hook them up with something else, and the problem is, where did I put them, you know? They're in documents, or where are they? And so with the Windows file management, those issues are gone now. We just sail right on through. Makes the work on the computer a lot faster. So if you get tired of working on your computer, this is the way to shorten it. And as far as spreading the gossip around about how great My Computer Works is, and to my friends, we were in Florida visiting my former boss, and he was having an issue with his computer, and he said, you know, I'm just kind of sick and tired of this waiting and taking the computer in for service and all this sort of thing. And I said, Bruce, I use a company called My Computer Works. I said, I think they can work on you even though you're here in Florida. And so I said, I had my laptop and your information was right there. And I said, let's give them a call and find out. We hooked up with My Computer Works, and he said, sign me up, and he was signed up, and your technician was working on him before I left. So that's how fast it worked. What I would say to anyone is, if you haven't tried it, you don't really know. I think that you don't know what anybody can do until you try them. If you're calling in a tech to come into your home who you don't know, you know how their service is going to be either. But the thing about My Computer Works is they always will, when they fix the issue, they may work on it even for an hour or a couple of hours, whatever. And then they'll call you back and say, well, I'm finished. Do you have any other issues that are bothering you at this time? If you say yes, you give them the issue, they look at that also. They don't just quit at the one deal and run. And this is and what's so great about this, it's not an hourly rate. You're not paying for somebody to piddle around. Their time is valuable, so they're trying to take care of as many people as possible in the shortest length of time and do an efficient job, and they do that. I just recommend to all of my friends who are having issues, call me. I'll tell you how good they are, because I really believe in them.